Hi, my name is Khizar Hayat and you are watching LSN News Channel. Lodhran Pilot Project and local sport organizations hold Climate Change Roundtable Conference in Bahawalpur 8th October 2024. In collaboration with the European Union and Concern Worldwide under the Bridge CSO project, the Lodhran Pilot Project and local sport organization organized a roundtable conference in Bahawalpur to discuss the impact of climate change and challenges it poses for Pakistan. The event brought together key stakeholders from various sectors to engage in an important dialogue about climate resilience. Notable attendees included Additional Deputy Commissioner of Bahawalpur, Ms. Sumaira Rabbani, Chief Executive of Lodhran Pilot Project, Dr. Muhammad Abdul Sabur, District Disaster Management Coordinator Bahawalpur, Ms. Marukh, Chairman of the Social Work Department at Islamic University Bahawalpur, Dr. Asif Naveed Ranjha, Deputy Director of Local Government, Mr. Khurshid Ahmed, Assistant Professor of Environmental Sciences, Dr. Muhammad Ali, and representative from the Agriculture Department, local sport organization, and other civil society actors. During the conference, Additional Deputy Commissioner Ms. Sumaira Rabbani emphasized the proactive measures being taken by the Bahawalpur District Administration to address the growing risk of climate change. She stressed the impact of collective responsibility in combating these challenges to secure a safer future for Pakistan. Dr. Abdul Sabur, CEO of LPP, urged the adoption of best practices to mitigate the dangers posed by the climate change. He expressed a strong desire to collaborate with Islamic University Bahawalpur, proposing to reward the top 5 student research project on climate change with prizes totally PKR 1 million to encourage further investigation in this field. Dr. Asif Naveed Ranjha highlighted the role of universities in tackling climate changes, stating that numerous students at Islamic University are conducting research on climate change and these findings are openly available worldwide. He welcomed deeper cooperation with LPP to strengthen the fight against climate change. Ms. Marukh, District Disaster Management Coordinator, provided insight into ongoing effort to raise public awareness about impact of climate change. She emphasized the importance of educating communities in the sphere of issues. Ms. Sheikh Dilshad Qureshi, former chairman of the District Council, discussed the effect of recent climate changes on agriculture, particularly the sharp decline in cotton production, and called for urgent action to address the issue. Dr. Muhammad Ali delivered a presentation on climate change strategies, emphasizing the need for research and practical measures to confront these challenges. Mr. Kumail Hassan, Program Coordinator at LPP, shared the findings of focus group discussion with local farmers, stressing the importance of incorporating their experience into future policies. Mehreen Arif, Project Manager at LPP, explained that Bridge CSO project is working to strengthen local civil society organization to better serve their communities. She noted that this climate change conference is a vital step toward achieving that goal. At the conclusion of the conference, the local sport organization distributed symbolic kitchen gardening tools to various farmers and honorary shields were presented to the distinguished guests.